Every woman should know these 12 simple tricks. One ingredient, and your life is about to get a whole lot easier. When it comes to beauty and self-care, many women carefully choose the products they use on their skin, body, and hair. However, many commercial products contain harsh chemicals that can sometimes do more harm than good. The good news? There are natural, effective alternatives that can help you care for your body in a safer, healthier way, often using just one powerful ingredient. Welcome to the Health Decode Lab channel. Today, we are diving into the white gold of health and beauty, baking soda. This isn't just for baking cakes anymore. We've researched 12 scientifically backed ways women are using this to transform their health, their skin, and their confidence. Let's jump right into the first one, and trust me, number 7 is a total game changer for your morning routine. This breakdown explains the exact how-to for each of the 12 tricks, focusing on the science of why they work and the steps to perform them safely at home. 1. The pH-balanced underarm, deodorant alternative. The science: body odor is caused by bacteria breaking down sweat in an acidic environment. Baking soda is alkaline, which neutralizes the acid and makes the skin inhospitable for those bacteria. How to use: the dry method. After showering, leave your underarms slightly damp. Take a tiny pinch of baking soda and pat it directly onto the skin. The paste method: mix a pinch of baking soda with a drop of water or coconut oil in your palm and massage it in. Professional tip: start with a very small amount to ensure your skin doesn't get irritated by the high pH. 2. The scalp clarifier, product buildup. The science: conditioners and styling products often contain silicones that stick to the hair shaft. Baking soda acts as a gentle surfactant to strip these away. How to use: take your usual amount of shampoo in your hand. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the shampoo. Mix and massage thoroughly into the scalp and hair. Rinse well. Professional tip: only do this once a month to avoid overdrying the hair cuticles. 3. The Pore-Vacuum mask, deep cleaning. The science: it acts as a physical exfoliant and an oil absorber, pulling debris out of clogged pores. How to use: mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water to create a thick paste. Apply only to oily areas, like the nose and chin. Leave for no more than 2 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Professional tip: always follow with a moisturizer to restore the skin's moisture barrier. 4. The UTI buffer, acid management. The science: while it does not kill the bacteria causing a urinary tract infection, it helps neutralize the acidity of the urine, which reduces the burning sensation. How to use: dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a full 8-ounce glass of water. Drink it once at the first sign of discomfort. Warning: this is a temporary measure. You must see a doctor for antibiotics to treat the actual infection. 5. The foot therapist, callus softener. The science: the alkaline water softens the hard protein, keratin, in calluses, making them easier to scrub away. How to use: fill a basin with warm water. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Soak your feet for 20 minutes. Use a pumice stone afterward for baby soft skin. 6. The enamel polisher, whitening. The science: baking soda is a mild abrasive that physically scrubs away surface stains from coffee, tea, or food without the harshness of chemical bleaches. How to use: wet your toothbrush and dip the tips of the bristles into baking soda. Brush your teeth gently for 1 minute. Professional tip: limit this to once a week to protect your tooth enamel from excessive wear. 7. The razor burn rescue, post-shave soaking. The science: it has mild anti-inflammatory properties that calm the heat and redness of razor burn. How to use: dissolve 1 tablespoon of baking soda in 1 cup of water. Soak a cotton ball or cloth in the mixture and dab it onto the irritated area. Leave it for 5 minutes, then rinse with cold water. 8. The intimate balance, rinse, external hygiene. The science: it helps neutralize external odors by balancing the skin's pH after exercise or long days. How to use: mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a liter of warm water. Use this as an external wash only during a shower. Warning: never use this internally, douching, as it can disrupt the natural, healthy flora of the body. 9. The heartburn relief, the antacid. The science: baking soda is a natural antacid. It reacts with excess stomach acid to turn it into harmless water, salt, and carbon dioxide. How to use: mix 1/2 teaspoon in 4 ounces, half a cup, of water. Drink it slowly. You will likely burp shortly after, which is a sign the acid is being neutralized. 10. The nail brightener, yellow stain removal. The science: stains from dark nail polish can penetrate the top layer of the nail. Baking soda gently lifts these pigments. How to use: make a paste using baking soda and a little lemon juice, or water. Apply to the nails and scrub gently with an old toothbrush for 1 minute. Wash and apply nail oil immediately. 11. The knee and elbow polish, rough skin. The science: these areas have thicker skin that requires more grit to exfoliate effectively. How to use: mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of honey or coconut oil. Rub in circular motions on dry elbows and knees for 2 minutes before rinsing. 12. The toxic residue wash, produce cleaning. The science: research shows that a baking soda solution is more effective at removing certain pesticides from the skin of fruits like apples than bleach or water alone. How to use: add 1 teaspoon of baking soda for every 2 cups of water in a bowl. Soak your fruits and vegetables for 12 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with plain water before eating. Note: baking soda is powerful. Never use it on your face daily, as it can disrupt your skin's acid mantle. Always perform a patch test on your inner arm before full application. If you have chronic kidney issues, consult a professional before using baking soda as an antacid, as it is high in sodium. This video is for educational purposes and is not medical advice. We've covered a lot today, from your hair down to your toes. The takeaway is simple: you have more control over your health and your budget than you think. You don't need a miracle, you just need a little bit of science and that orange box in your pantry. Try one trick this week, and let me know how it goes. If you love natural health hacks, hit that subscribe button for more weekly secrets.